discovered the most delicate dolls, shiny, polished utensils, and best of all, a silk dress decorated with colored ribbons. It was hanging so that she could admire it from all sides, which she did, exclaiming, "Oh, what a what a sweet, sweet little dress! And I will really, surely be allowed to wear it." Are you filming it now?
No.
In the meantime, Fritz had already been galloping and shouting around the table 3 or 4 times in the chestnut rocking horse, which he had indeed found hitched to the table. Dismounting the horse, he called him a wild beast and remarked that he was not bothered by it and would in due time break him in.
Do
Then
French.
Huh?
French.
I don't know how to do French.
Well,
What does
try.
it sound like?
Like they talk like this.
And then he...
Try like Russian. Russia. I'm from Moscow.
I'm
Russia.
from Russia.
Yeah. Wash your head.
Then he investigated his fine new squadron of horse soldiers, all of which were splendidly dressed in red and gold. They carried silver weapons and were mounted on such gleaming white horses that they too appeared to be crafted of pure silver. The children were just getting over the first flurry of excitement and settling down before a quieter time which the beautifully illustrated picture books which lay open. Their pages showed all kinds of lovely flowers and colorful people, also dear little children at play, painted so true to life it was as if they were right there, alive and talking.